record with us, and if you want to
Welcome to my presentation. My name is Rudy. I'm from Indonesia. Today I'd like to talk about environmental issue, and my topic is cattle farming should be reduced because of greenhouse effect. This is an interesting topic because many people, many countries concerned about greenhouse effect that related to the global warming. To explain my presentation, I will divide my presentation into three parts. First, I will give you some background or general information. Second, I will give you the reason why cattle farming should be reduced. And thirdly, I will conclude what I'm saying about my presentation. And at the end of my presentation, I will answer your question that you may have. Now let's begin with my first part of my presentation. First, we need to know what the greenhouse effect is. Please have a look at this picture. This is our Earth. The greenhouse effect is a group of gases that surrounding our Earth. A group of gases is also known as greenhouse gases. In the atmosphere, that some of the heat trapped in this atmosphere that come from the sun. Greenhouse gases, or GHG, consist of methane, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Unfortunately, in recent decades, there is a dramatic increase of GHG level in the atmosphere, and would make our Earth become warmer than it should be. The big question, what is the factor that can increase GHG level? Many scientists reveal that cattle farming become one of the most important factors that can increase GHG and suggest should be reduced. The next question, why cattle farming should be reduced? To answer the question, let me turn to the second part of my presentation. The first reason why cattle farming should be reduced, because cattle farming produces a huge amount of methane from enteric fermentation. Enteric fermentation is a chemical process that occurs in cattle digestive system. As can be seen from this figure, that methane emits directly to the atmosphere from enteric fermentation. And almost 44% of methane come from enteric fermentation. Moreover, methane is 21 times stronger than carbon dioxide. It means that methane is a potential to contribute global warming. The second reason why cattle farming should be reduced, because produce a large amount of nitrous oxide from manure or poo from the cattle, cow, beef, sheep, goat. According to the Australian Greenhouse Office 2006, almost 70 and almost 90 million tons of manure produced annually. So it means that a huge amount of nitrous oxide will emit to the atmosphere and also contribute to the global warming. the final reason why cattle farming should be reduced, because cattle farming depletes of natural resources such as water and land resources. To produce a kilo of animal protein consumes 100 times of water. I think it is deplorable that 100 times of water only used to produce a kilo of beef or meat, rather than to use for human daily. Moreover, almost 27% of Earth's land has changed into agriculture and ranching, especially for cattle farming. Let's take a look at this picture. Many people are surprised about this graph. It's taken from Australia, that a gigaliters of water used to produce meat per year. With these three reasons, I think it is clear that cattle farming should be reduced. Now I'd like to conclude my presentation. Cattle farming should be reduced in order to curb the increasing of greenhouse effect and also to save our natural resources. Therefore, cattle farming should have better management than now. And although I'm not a vegetarian, eating less